What happens to your body when you do Tabata workout every day? You may just change your "I'm too busy to work out" mentality with this 4-minute workout that has been proven to aid in weight loss and muscle building. Many individuals often find excuses to skip their workout routine, especially due to a lack of time. However, Tabata, a form of high-intensity interval training, HIIT, offers a quick and effective solution to this problem. With Tabata, you can incorporate a flash workout into your routine, which can aid in weight loss and muscle building while being a great addition to your workout regimen. With a workout as short and intense as Tabata, the question arises of whether it's safe to do it every day. In this video, experts provide insights into the safety of this strategy and offer comprehensive information on everything you need to know about the 4-minute miracle workout. What is Tabata? Tabata is a brief and rigorous workout designed by researcher Izumi Tabata that involves 20 seconds of maximum intensity exercise followed by 10 seconds of rest. The workout consists of repeating this sequence for a total of 8 rounds, with 20 seconds of activity and 10 seconds of rest in each round. In 1996, a team of Japanese researchers led by Tabata conducted a comprehensive study on the impact of high-intensity interval training, HIIT, on the anaerobic and aerobic energy systems. Simply put, aerobic exercise is low-intensity activity that can be sustained over a long time, such as jogging, while anaerobic exercise involves intense bursts of activity for short periods, such as sprinting. According to their findings, published in the journal Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise, the Tabata protocol, which involves intervals of 20 seconds of high-intensity exercise followed by 10 seconds of rest, resulted in significant improvements in both anaerobic and aerobic power over a 6-week period. What distinguishes Tabata from conventional HIIT training is its intense 20-10 work-rest ratio. The crucial aspect of this workout is performing the work intervals at maximum intensity. If you're not pushing yourself to the limit, it cannot be considered a true Tabata session. Can Tabata be done with weights? The great news is that the choice is entirely yours. Tabata workouts can incorporate weights or simply use bodyweight movements. Furthermore, Tabata can be geared towards intense cardio exercises, making it effective for weight loss, or centered around strength training. To emphasize cardiovascular endurance, consider exercises like high knees, jumping jacks, or punches. An expert emphasizes the practicality of Tabata workouts, which can be done practically anywhere with little to no equipment. For a strength-focused Tabata routine, you could include triceps dips, push-ups, or plank dips in your workout. Can Tabata be done every day? During the original Tabata protocol, high-level athletes participated in 4 weekly sessions over 6 weeks, according to King. If you are passionate about Tabata training, it is advisable to seek guidance from a personal trainer to tailor the workouts to your specific objectives and integrate them into your routine effectively for optimal outcomes. This is particularly crucial since not everyone is an elite athlete. Tabata-style routines are so flexible that you can easily vary the exercises to create workouts that focus on different muscle groups. As a result, you can perform Tabata workouts daily. The versatility of Tabata-style routines allows for the selection of different exercises to target various muscle groups, making it possible to incorporate daily Tabata workouts. However, caution is advised when following the original protocol, and it is recommended to limit it to 2 to 4 times per week while supplementing with steady-state cardio 3 to 5 days per week. Nevertheless, the frequency of Tabata workouts ultimately depends on the individual's training experience and their ability to recover from exercise. Here are some of our favorite workouts that follow the Tabata format, designed to quickly increase your heart rate and start the sweating. Simply perform each exercise in sequence and complete the designated number of sets before moving on to the next one. 1. Squat jumps, 20 on 10 off, 2 sets. 2. Push-ups, 20 on 10 off, 2 sets. 3. Uppercuts, 20 on 10 off, 2 sets. 4. Mountain climbers, 20 on 10 off, 2 sets. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new tips. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.